Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable Ultra Game Mode on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the Settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Ultra Game Mode. Now from here, just enable Game Sidebar. Now from here, tap on Supported Games. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the games you want to add, just like that. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open any game which you have added, just like that. Now as you can see, Ultra Game Mode has enabled. Now from here, if you swipe from the upper left corner on your smartphone, you will enable the Ultra Game Mode in-game shortcuts. Now from here, if you tap on Performance, it is currently on balance mode. You can choose battery saver and it will adjust the settings on your smartphone while you are playing game to save the battery life. Or you can tap on boost and it will boost the performance of your smartphone while you are playing games. Now from here, as you can see that the refresh rate is set on smart switch. Now from here, you can fix the refresh rate on 60 Hz or on 120 Hz. Just like that. And this is how you can enable Ultra Game Mode on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.